Hi traders, welcome to the Ken Tank, where you'll learn how to avoid getting eaten by the sharks on Wall Street. Hello active traders, this is Ken Calhoun coming at you live on Sunday, February 14th. It's Valentine's Day today, and I hope that the markets have a sweet treat for us next week. We're going to be looking at gold again. As always, all information is for educational use only. I'm not making advice about what to buy, sell, or hold. Now last week I said NUGT. I'm so dedicated, right? Last week I did this before Super Bowl Sunday. Today it's Valentine's Day. I work 7 days a week. Anyway, last week, Sunday, I said NUGT might be a good play to the upside. And you can see inverse head and shoulders here with the neckline still trending up. So this is a good uptrending chart. We'll see if it's able to continue to punch out new highs over 58. Now this is the list of instruments that I'm either trading or looking to trade on continued volatility next week. Mostly gold mining stocks like GDX. I like it because it's got a 14 to 19 range. Barrick, that's one I've been trading too. It's going 9 to just over 12. Nice uptrend continuation. You know, Nugget has a really good chart pattern. This is my popular acceleration ramp pattern. You got a steady uptrend, then it kind of hockey sticks to a nice 45-degree angle breakout. Buyers in charge of that. AEM also another good chart going from 28 to 36. Gold Corp going 10 to just under 16, and Newmont going from 17 to 26. So for many of these I've posted specific alerts for my Swing Scans members, as well as coverage for these during my live trading room sessions at Trading the Open. But for you folks, for this free one, at least I'll tell you these are some of the ones to pay attention to. GDX, ABX, Nugget, AEM, Gold Corp, and Newmont. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's say these all stall out and start to drop next week. What you want to do is have a plan for how to trade the pivot. And obviously you could go short in all those, but for those of you like me who prefer to mainly go long in instruments, here's the counter trend play would be dust. Dust has been decimated, going from 17 down to 5. The Ken Tank shark play of the week is, where would you trade dust on a pivot to the upside? Aha. That's how professional traders trade. We're always looking to sell into buyers and buy on a recovery play. We did a window or a gap down, so this is kind of a broken instrument. You can see continuous gaps down. In my www.howtotradegaps downloadable course, I teach exactly how to trade in-trend directional gaps. Anyway, most of the time, 4 out of 5 times, there's maybe one exception, even though it still did gap down and continue down. Most of the time, gaps continue in the trend of the gap, and you can see that was what's happened in dust. What makes this interesting to me is to look for a recovery play up in this region. Earliest I'm going to buy it is going to be over, say, 750 or so. And the reason for that is I want it to get above this window support, this gap support over 7. So I'm going to start getting in at 7.5, 8.5 if it pivots. But that's just me in my own trading accounts. Your mileage might vary, but that's your quiz question for the upcoming week is, if the big meteoric rise in all these gold instruments comes to a swift demise and it comes to a quick end and these things all start to head downwards, this will start to go up. Where would you trade it? DUST. We'll see you in our next episode. Best wishes for success. And again, this is Ken Calhoun from Day Trading University and Trade Mastery, coming at you live here on Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2016. Let's hope the market gives us a sweetheart deal on continued volatility in the best of the charts out there as we move forward into the upcoming trading week ahead. Let's look at the Ken Tank. Just a quick reminder that before you buy stuff from other people, make sure that they prove they trade like I do, okay? You know, you should be saying to them, where's your P&L proof you're a real trader, okay? You should be saying, I don't know, Mr. Trading Educator. I see your webinar and your fancy charts, but I don't see any video testimonials from traders like Ken Calhoun shows, okay? Like I show. You might want to look at it and say, well, wait a minute. Where's your actual recent real money trades you made? Where's some P&L proof like Ken shows that you're actually a real trader, not just some guy who talks about charts? You might want to ask yourself, why should I trust you? You know, why should you trust it? And I advise you to not trust anyone without proof, right? You know, you should also be saying, Where's proof that you can help me? Are there video testimonials? So in sum, you should be saying, show us the money, okay? Say, wait, before I buy a course, show me that you're the real thing, right? It should be simple, right? Any real money trader like me, I'm happy to show you P&Ls of real money trades, wins and stops that I made. So anyway, that's the Kin Tank, a new feature in my trade mastery sessions. You may have seen me live in Las Vegas with all my traders in these big seminars, 40, 50 people seminars. You may have seen me in stocks and commodities. You may have seen me in CBS Market Watch, Paching. You may have seen me as a featured speaker in the premium paid events at the Traders Expo. Highly recommend those too, by the way. I'm not able to make it this year. My schedule is beyond swamped. But if you get a chance, go to all of the Money Show Expos and talk to other traders and ask them, what did you find out and who do you recommend to learn from and that kind of thing. You'll start to hear the truth about things, so that's good.